In today's video, we're taking a quick look at how the My T-Mobile app keeps your child's smartwatch safe, synced, and fully under your control without extra effort on your part. The My T-Mobile app makes managing your child's smartwatch simple by automatically syncing contacts in real time. When you add or edit a contact on your phone, it instantly updates on the watch, no manual refresh needed. To avoid unnecessary data usage, you can restrict contact syncing to Wi-Fi only, keeping updates cost-effective and efficient. Safety features are where the app really shines. With built-in geofencing, you'll receive alerts the moment your child leaves a designated safe zone like home or school. You can also set call limits, such as blocking outgoing calls after 8 p.m., giving you better control over screen time and usage. The latest firmware update, KidsWatch OS 2.4.4, adds AI-driven safety alerts that notify parents if an unauthorized contact is added. All settings are fully customizable, so you can tailor the watch to your child's age and needs. Best of all, the device complies with COPPA standards and uses encrypted data to protect your child's privacy.